Hey everyone, welcome back. This is V. In today's look, and it's not a look, in today's makeup, I am going to show you how I put my foundation on, and I can do it four ways, four different ways. So I'll show you a little bit of each and then I will complete the eye. So I am using UOMA Beauty. That's the one I'm using today. And I will tell you the number, but I gotta put my glasses on. It is Brown Sugar T2C. That's the shade I'm in. And it's really nice. I take my hand sometimes and I'll put my foundation all over my face. But since I'm showing you four different ways, I'll do one section first. So my chin right here, I will do that with my hand. I know people say don't do foundation with hand, but if you're in a situation where your hand, your finger is good enough for you, or you're in a place you don't have a brush, you don't have the money to buy a brush, use your fingers and put your foundation on. Because I'd rather you do that than to go borrow or buy stuff you cannot afford. So I'll do that. This is one section, right? With my finger. I have done my whole face with my finger, and then when I'm done, I set it with a brush and powder. So this is what this looks like. I'm not doing any base. I'm not doing any corrector. I have my primer on already. I put my primer on ahead of time so it can be on my skin for a little while. So this is what this would look like with my hand, with my finger. That's with my finger. The second way that I do my foundation, I'll use a flat foundation brush. I'll take the foundation on there and then I will do, I want you to see, I need to fix my mirror, okay. And I will put, you can use it all over your face. I'm just showing the four different ways you can put your foundation. There gotta be a whole lot more, but this is the four ways that I put my foundation on. I try to make things simple. So it's simple and something that works. It has to be simple and it has to work. I have no contacts on, so I'm not sure how close I am going to be. But this, my forehead is with the flat brush. This is what it's looking like. This is with my finger. See the difference? So that's a flat brush. Now you can use a dense brush like this. And I will take the foundation and I will do this side. Okay, I'm recording. Checking to see if I'm recording. This is what it's looking like with this brush. Third way I apply foundation. The next way I apply foundation is with a sponge. As you can see, this one has a lot of use, but it's still good. So I take the bottom part of it. It's not damp, it's a dry one. Whether it's damp or dry, I think it does the same job, so I just use it dry. I take that and I put into my foundation, and I go like this. Squeeze the bottom so I can get under my eye. Again, I have no corrector on. Just foundation. And this side is with the sponge. So this side is the sponge. This side is with this brush. My chin is with my finger. And my forehead is with this flat brush. These are the 4 ways I apply foundation. There is no one way or right way. You use what you have, and that's it. Now that this is finished, this is what it is. And then if I want to smooth everything, I just take the sponge and I go over everything. These are my tools, my fingers, my sponge, my flat brush or my dense brush. This is it. This is what I use to apply my foundation. On any given day I can use to. I'll do all over my face with my fingers, and then I take a sponge and finish it up. Or I do with my fingers and I take one of these brushes, or vice versa, one of these brushes and then the sponge. It's what you can afford, and use what you already have. You don't have to go there and buy a big expensive brush set. You can get some cheap ones, affordable ones like Elf and Wet n Wild, because they were good. I have some of these Elf and Wet n Wild for a long time. And if you want a little bit fancy, you can go like Real Techniques. But that's that. This is this. If you cannot afford the sponges, you can buy the wedges. The wedges does the same thing. And they even fit under your eye like this. So if you can't buy these, buy a pack of wedges and they will do exactly the same thing. So again, this is it. Please like, please share, please subscribe. If you're enjoying my videos, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. This thumb. And if you like my content and you think you want to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead. If not, that's okay. Your viewing is also appreciated also. But the subscription helped my channel very much. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. So remember, be kind to one another, and I will see you in another video. This is it, 4 ways that I apply foundation, and you can try it. And when you try it, tag me and let me know that you saw this video. You can also check me out on Instagram. My Instagram handle is simply U53. You can check me out there. I post a picture every day. You can follow me there. Followers are always needed, and I love you. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. I will see you soon.